Whether you're a scientist, student, or just a curious mind, you might wonder if you can bring a microscope on a plane. Today, we're talking about how to fly with this important scientific tool, and trust me, it's easier than you think. So, what's the deal with microscopes and airport security? Well, the TSA doesn't have any specific restrictions on microscopes, which means, yes, you can bring a microscope on a plane. But if your microscope triggers an alarm at security, it may need extra screening, especially if it has built-in cameras, light sources, or power cords. What about liquid rules? Taking immersion oil for your microscope? Just make sure it's under the TSA liquid limit, 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters, if you're packing it in your carry-on. Airline rules for microscopes. Flying with a small microscope? You're good to go. But if you've got a large, bulky lab accessory like a compound microscope, check your airline's luggage allowance for size and weight limits. Remember, most airlines stick to a standard carry-on size of 22 by 14 by 9 inches, and going over could mean extra fees. Can you take a microscope in carry-on? Yes, you can take your microscope in your carry-on. The TSA has confirmed that microscopes are allowed, but be prepared for possible extra screening if your microscope sets off an alarm. Can you bring a microscope on international flights? Good news for those flying internationally. Microscopes are typically allowed on international flights too. Just double-check with your airline before you travel. How to pack a microscope for travel. Now, let's talk about packing. Always use a sturdy, padded case to protect your microscope from damage, and if possible, keep it in your carry-on. Be sure to label your case with your name and contact info in case it gets misplaced. Can you take microscope slides on a plane? Yes, you can bring microscope slides on a plane. Just make sure they're well packed and protected to avoid any breakage during the trip. Other lab equipment you can bring. What about other lab gear? Small items like beakers, test tubes, pipettes, and even a thermometer are good to go in both carry-on and checked luggage. Just remember, anything sharp or potentially dangerous should go in your checked bag. So, can you take a microscope on a plane? Absolutely. Just pack it properly, follow TSA and airline guidelines, and you'll be good to go. Safe travels, and happy experimenting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips from Travel Closely.